Tired of annoying ads while browsing the internet? In this video, I'll show you the best DNS servers for ad blocking that can help reduce ads across websites and apps without installing extra software. Let's get started. Number 1. AdGuard DNS. The first recommendation is AdGuard DNS. It blocks many ads, trackers, and malicious websites without requiring any additional app. Simply change your device's DNS settings to AdGuard DNS, and your internet traffic will start using its filtering service. Number 2. Control-D. Another excellent option is Control-D. It offers customizable DNS filtering, ad blocking, and additional privacy features. You can choose different filtering profiles based on your needs. Number 3. NextDNS. If you're looking for more control, NextDNS is a great choice. It allows you to block ads, trackers, malware, and even create custom filtering rules. You can also monitor your DNS activity through a web dashboard. Number 4. Mullvad DNS. For users who value privacy, Mullvad DNS provides free DNS servers with optional ad and tracker blocking. It's easy to configure and doesn't require creating an account. That's it. These are some of the best DNS servers for blocking ads and improving your online privacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.